Debt Management Part 2, Understanding Credit Card Debts. Last week, we talked about the types of debts. This week, let's discuss more about credit card debts. Hi, I'm Eva Wong here, your wealth coach to achieve early retirement. If you wish to learn how to become financial savvy and to retire early, remember to subscribe to this channel here. Nowadays, credit card is something that is very easy to apply. When you start working, you are eligible to apply for one. But is having a credit card good or bad? Let's review here in this video. Credit card is a powerful leverage tool because it enables us to make purchases without needing to have the cash first. The cash can come later. If we can plan well for our purchases and know how to use a credit card, we can enjoy the interest-free purchase. Yes, the banks do offer interest-free period for credit card purchases. However, to enjoy the interest-free scheme, one needs to make full payment on or before the credit card payment due date. Most Malaysian banks offer a 20-day interest-free grace period for credit card purchases. Let's have a look at an example here. As per the example, if one makes full payment of 2,000 ringgit for the 4 transactions on or before 4th of May 2020, there won't be any interest charged by the bank. He or she hence enjoys the interest-free payment even though the purchase was made as early as 19th of March 2020, which is the first transaction date. He or she is able to delay the payment until 4th of May 2020, which is 46 days. Imagine if you are making a large sum purchase on the first day of the billing cycle, you can make the purchase first and take as long as 50 days to repay. This is the power of a credit card. Nevertheless, the interest-free period will not be applicable if one only makes partial payment or a minimum payment. Let's say, if one chooses to make only a partial payment of 1,000 ringgit to pay off the transaction 1, 2 and 3, interest will incur on the total outstanding amount of 2,000 and not just the balance of 1,000 for the transaction 4. You can see the calculation details here. The total interest incurred in the next period will be 29 ringgit and 6 cents. There are two things that you should note while making partial payment. First, an interest-free period is no longer applicable when you make partial payment. Interest is imposed on the total outstanding amount as per the billing period, which is a 2,000 in the example, even though 1,000 partial payment is made. Second, full interest rate is imposed on each transaction from the posting date and not the payment due date. This is not the end of the story yet. If one is making a late payment, there will be also an extra charge for late payment charges too. Hence, you can see there's a big difference in making full credit card payment and partial credit card payment. In addition, higher interest will be charged by the bank if one fails to make the minimum payment for more than 2 months or 2 times in a year. Credit card usage is also crucial for demonstrating good credit history to the bank for extended credit facilities. This is the most comfortable form of credit record demonstration. We can use credit card on regular retail purchases or even online purchases. The usage will leave credit track records for the bank to assess our credit worthiness when we need more loans to grow our wealth. You have heard the example of how you can use a loan to grow your wealth in the last video. So one with good credit card payment records, it's easy to get loans from banks compared to the one who has no credit card at all. This might look strange, but this is the truth. This video explains the good and bad about credit card. If you can manage well, it can give you a lot of benefits, including more loans to grow your wealth and also interest-free purchases for short term. If you cannot manage it well, the interest will be crazy. That's all for my sharing this time, and thank you for watching this video, and I do hope that you like it. Comment below what have you learned from this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more early retirement tips, and I hope to see you again. Bye!